Hello, friends. As you can see, the shower cabin is completely covered with limescale stains. If you say, I tried everything but it didn't come off, now I will show you a very easy and equally effective method. The method is very simple, and with just one ingredient that everyone definitely has at home, you will make your shower cabin shine. You can use a dish sponge to apply our material. The only ingredient that will remove the limescale stains is fabric softener. We pour the fabric softener onto the dish sponge. Look again, there are so many limescale stains. These didn't come off with soap or detergent. We step into the shower and gently apply the fabric softener we poured, spreading it over the entire surface of the shower cabin without pressing too hard. For you, I will apply it only on one door this time, so you can see the difference. From the outside, it looks like this. After applying it this way, you can wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. After waiting for a while, I rinse it using the shower head. After rinsing with water, I dry it with newspaper. You can also use a cloth. Do you see the difference? The result is perfect, very simple and practical. It became completely clean. There is no trace of limescale left. Please share your results or different methods you use in the comments.